Exercise 5.2, problem 5, division 1. Find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices are 6, 9, 7, 4, 4, 2 and 3, 7. Okay, great. Also we have a formula for the quadrilateral. It's the same like the triangle formula. Only thing is that you will add that x4, y4 also into the formula. Okay, so what is given? The coordinate is, let's mark it. So the 4 coordinates are given and you can see it's all in the first quadrant. All of them are positive. So all the points are in the first quadrant. It's a quadrilateral, right? And we have to draw a diagram and roughly make sure that we after drawing a diagram, roughly we'll have to select the points in the counterclockwise direction. Okay, otherwise we'll get the area negative. It's the same as it is in the case of triangle. So let's write out. The points are given, 4 points are given. We are asked to find the area of the quadrilateral. The formula for the quadrilateral is half into x1, y2, x2, y3 plus x3, y1 plus x4, y4. This is extra from the triangle. Okay, similarly minus x2, y1 plus x3, y2 plus x1, y3 and x4, y1. This is extra for the quadrilateral. Okay, as you can see, the entire right hand side is gray. So we know all the 4 points. This is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 and x4, y4, right? So the entire right hand side is known. So all you need to do is substitute those values in this formula. You can calculate the area of the quadrilateral. Okay, it's a mere substitution problem. So let's write the steps. Plot the points and arrange them in a counterclockwise. This is important. So you have to make a plot roughly and arrange them in the counterclockwise, or select the points in the counterclockwise direction after drawing the figure of the quadrilateral. Right. Substitute the values of the points in this formula for the quadrilateral and calculate the area of the quadrilateral. Okay, great, simple, straightforward. Only this step is little tricky. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so pause the video and work this problem out on your own, and after doing it, please come back and check your working against our solution. Okay, the solution, the 4 points are there. Let's actually I've already changed it in the order, but anyway, let's first draw the figure here. So let's take the first point, 6, 9. So it's 6 centimeters. 1 unit is 1 centimeter approximately. You can take it, or half a centimeter. Okay, no issues, but be consistent. If you make everything as half of it, so measure accordingly half. So let's say if you make it one unit is 1 centimeter. So 6 centimeters on x-axis and 9. Okay, it will become 9 will become very big, right? It will be approximately. So let's take half. So half means this is 3 and this is 4.5. So 3 units on the x-axis and 3 centimeters and 4.5. Mark this point. Okay. We'll name it later. So this is 1 point. Next is 7, 4. So which means 3.5 centimeters on the x-axis and 4 centimeters. Sorry, 4 means 2 centimeters on the y-axis. So this point is marked. Okay, you have to be little consistent. If you do this measurement correctly, it will be very it will come out clearly. See, 6, x is 6, x is 7. So this point is farther away from C in the x direction. Okay. Next is 4, 2. So we'll have to measure 2 units along x-axis and 1 unit along y-axis. So 4, 2 is marked. 3, 7. So we'll have to mark 1.5 units and 3.5 units in y direction. So the 4th point is marked. So join those points and form the quadrilateral. Now you name them as A, B, C, D in the counterclockwise direction. Okay. So the rule is take half of it. So 1 unit is half a centimeter. So 6 will be 3 centimeter. This will be 4 centimeter. This will be 3.5 and this will be 2. Roughly have that measurement and mark those points. So now you got all the 4 points in the counterclockwise direction. Okay, the points are marked here and it is written in the counterclockwise direction here. Okay, now area of the quadrilateral is given by this formula, and this formula is represented pictorially here. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x4, y4, and this is x1, y1. We know the 4 points. This is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, and x4, y4. So x1, y1, that is 4 and 2. This is x2, y2, that is 7 and 4. And this is x3, y3, that is 6 and 9. This is x4, y4, so that is 3 and 7. And this is x1, y1. This column gets repeated. Now you figured it out. Now all you need to do is simplify it. So area of the quadrilateral is half into 4 4s are 16, 7 9s are 63, 6 7s are 42, 3 2 6, minus, open a bracket, 2 7s 14, 4 6 4s 24, 9 3s 27, 7 4s 28. Okay, so now add up all these things together and subtract all these things, both the brackets. That comes to 127 minus 93. 127 minus 93 is 34. So this into half is 17 square units. So area of the quadrilateral is 17 square units. You got it? It's very similar to what you did for triangle. Only thing you have one more point. Fourth point, x4, y4. As you did for triangle, the first step will be to draw a rough diagram and select the points in the counterclockwise direction. If you don't do it, nothing great will happen. You will get a negative answer. Okay, instead of getting plus 17, you will get it as minus 17. Okay, thanks for watching this video. I hope you got this working right. If not, please check where you have gone wrong and make suitable corrections. Thanks once again for watching this video.